This video covers the safe operation of the LBC Rack oven. You must read and understand these rules before you operate the oven. If you smell gas, turn the oven off. Locate the gas shutoff valve and turn the gas off. The valve is off when the valve is horizontal. Contact your supervisor or contact the gas supplier. Be sure to follow your employee emergency action plan. Never store flammable liquids or materials inside or near the oven. Do not enter the oven when it is hot. Surfaces are hot and will burn you. Always use protective mitts or pads when handling racks or when loading and unloading the oven. Do not hold the door open with your hand, arm, or body touching the inside of the door. Use the outer door handle to open and close the oven door. Oven racks may be hot, so always use caution. Use oven mitts or hot pads to handle hot racks of pans. The oven produces steam and hot water during the baking process. Open the door slowly to allow steam to vent into the hood. Keep your face, arms, and body away from the steam as you open the door. Watch for steam coming out of the bottom of the door. Use caution when the floor in front of the oven becomes wet. Be sure to mop up any wet areas in the work zone. Water that may spill onto the floor or that exits through the drain will be hot. Be careful to clean up any water spills. Use caution to avoid spilling when loading or unloading the oven. Wet areas will cause slips and can injure you or a coworker. Mop up any spills and alert others to the hazard. Avoid sharp edges. Use care when loading and unloading pans and racks. Be alert if you smell gas or smoke. Do not operate the oven if there is smoke or the smell of smoke or gas. Do not operate the oven if it is making loud noises, such as pops or bangs. Do not allow flammable materials to be put into the oven. Do not operate the oven if a fire suppression system or a fire alarm has been disabled or is discharged. Do not operate the oven if covers or safety panels are removed. Do not operate the oven if circuit breakers trip and cannot be reset. Do not operate the oven if you feel an electrical shock from the oven. Do not operate the oven if the hood does not work. The oven may produce combustion gases or carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is known to cause birth defects in unborn children and can result in serious health issues, including loss of life. Do not operate the oven if the power to the circulation fan is disconnected. Do not operate the oven if there is a lockout or tagout in place anywhere on the oven. Be sure to follow your employer's food handling and preparation instructions to avoid causing anyone to become sick or to subject anyone to unhealthy foods. See your supervisor if you have any questions.